If you go to the grocery store, how many milks do you see?
Lots of milks. I
it's
see
like a
cashew milk, macadamia milk, this milk, that milk.
Rice milk, oat milk.
I'm surprised you can milk so many things.
There's now pea milk, there's hemp milk. I brought a few today to show you. First off, we have just a regular old cow milk. What's important here when you're looking for milk is that you want to have the least amount of saturated fat as possible. So here at the Pritikin Center, we use a 0% fat-free milk. And the other thing that I really want to take note, because this is something that a lot of people don't know, but sodium is something that is added to a lot of the milks, mostly the non-dairy milks. But the sodium that's in cow milk is actually naturally occurring. They don't add any milk whatsoever. It's naturally occurring in the food. And another thing that I want to show you about the milk is that cow milk has something called lactose in it. Lactose is a milk sugar. So anything ending in that OSE at the end, glucose, sucrose, fructose, will be a sugar. But what we're focusing on is that none of the sugars are added to the milk. They're all naturally occurring. So if you look at the label here, it does say that there is some 12 grams of sugar, but that's naturally occurring, but there's 0 grams of sugar added. That's important, okay? Because when you get on over to the other milk, so this is another milk that we like to use here at Pritikin. It's a soy milk. And what's really important about the non-dairy milks is that there's this word on the top that says unsweetened. Because for the most part, when you see these milks in the grocery store, they're already going to be sweetened with sugar. So you think you're doing your body good and trying these non-dairy milks, but you're actually getting a lot more added sugar that's in the cow milk itself. So really important, look for the unsweetened. If you want a little flavor to it, I love the vanilla. It adds a nice little sweetness to it naturally. And the other thing you want to be careful of in the ingredients is how much added sodium. So this particular brand, West Soy, is a good one. They only add a little bit. It's about 35 milligrams. So this is a great choice. And also, the soy milk, if you're looking for protein in your milk, you're going to get almost the same amount of protein in soy as you're going to get in the dairy milk. And then this is another milk. It's called Malk. And it's an almond milk. So if you're going for, you want to try, if you don't want to do soy and you don't want to do cow and you want to try the almond milk, great idea. But always remember, these almond milks are a concentration between water and almonds. And so sometimes you'll see the calories are really low. It could be like 30 calories a cup. Just know you're getting mostly water and just a smidge of almonds. This particular one has a little bit more of a thicker flavor. So the calories are a little higher. Little bit more almonds than water. And the other thing, again, you want to get unsweetened. Look at the sodium, see how much is in there. This particular one is a little bit higher, 140. So if sodium is an issue for you, blood pressure is an issue, you want to look at the sodium content in all of these non-dairy milks because they are definitely sneaky and hidden in there. But if you're looking for an almond milk that doesn't have any of these xanthine gums or gelum gums, if you have any gut issues or anything like that, this is a pretty good choice. So
what if I'm worried about the calcium in the milk? They all have calcium?
Really, really good question. And actually the answer is they don't all have calcium. Naturally occurring calcium will come in your milk. You will get lots of calcium, about 20% of what you need or so in a day. So don't worry there when you're doing the cow milk. But when you're doing a soy milk or an almond milk or an oat milk or any of these other milks, a lot of times they'll add the calcium in it. So you'll see right on the label, it'll say like calcium carbonate or whatever type of calcium they're adding. Gotcha. But I did notice in this soy milk, when I looked at the ingredients, it says organic soy milk, which is just water and soybeans, and other natural flavors. So this particular soy milk does not have calcium added to it.
Gotcha.
So remember that, because calcium is important. If you think that you're getting it from your milk, you may or may not be. You gotta look at the label, guys.
My mother just had a hip replacement here, so she's been like trying to find calcium.
Calcium. So if she's going to do a non-dairy milk, make sure that she looks at the ingredients to see if it's added in there, or if she just drinks the cow milk, it's already there. She's good to go. Yeah. If you enjoyed this short video and you want to see another short clip, click here. If you want to see the whole entire video, then just click over here.